Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to cover a short trade setup and a long trade setup. So if that sounds interesting, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end because I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So since yesterday's video, okay, we have had a nice rise in the price of Bitcoin, okay, and then from there we did see a pullback, okay, and as of right now we are seeing a nice little rise towards the upside, which we are actually capitalizing on. Okay, so I just want to talk about this price action briefly, okay, because yesterday, okay, in yesterday's video, okay, I was telling you that this level up here was a level that I was interested in taking a short from. So as you can see here, this was from yesterday's video, okay, and we were looking at range high. I was telling you range high is a key level, okay, that I'm interested in shorting. So if we're going to see the price rise up to this level, okay, tap this level whilst looking bearish, okay, then I'll be looking to enter into a short position and I will be looking for lower prices, okay? As you can see here, that is exactly what happened, okay? We saw the nice rise towards the upside coming into this level. We looked bearish at this level, so what happened? We saw that pullback. Now, I will be completely honest with you here. I did not trade this, and the reason I did not trade this is because when the trade, presented itself to us, it was 4:45 in the morning, okay, so of course I was still asleep at that moment in time, okay, being 100% transparent now. Yes, if I was awake, this would have been a short position that I would have entered into, and this would have been a very, very profitable short position. However, like I said, this was 4:45 in the morning when it presented itself to us, okay, and yeah, this was just too early for me. I was still asleep, so I did not enter into this trade, okay, but initially we saw all the bearish confirmations here, okay. We got the sweep of liquidity of the range high right here, okay, and then if we have a look at the open interest and the CVDs, we can see open interest was bearish, okay. Now it's hard to see, but the CVD, okay, was actually bearish as well, okay. Yeah, it sort of invalidated that bearishness here, but initially at that moment in time, okay, it was bearish, okay. So as you can see, we did see that pullback within price, okay. Now, yeah, from there, okay, we've come down to another key level here, okay, that we've actually formed today, okay. We formed this key level today, okay, and we actually tapped it for a second time right here, okay, and what happened, okay, we saw that rise towards the upside, and like I said, we are capitalizing on this rise towards the upside. Why is that? Well, we are in a long position as of right now, okay, and I did give this long position to my Visionary members on the Visionary Discord, okay. I very clearly stated scalp long for me, okay, and I said low capital entry as this is a scalp, okay, as in a scalp trade, okay. So I gave the setup to my members right here, okay, and as you can see very quickly we took TP1 and moved that stop loss to entry. So it was a TP1 at 47%, okay, such an amazing trade there. Not one of our biggest trades, but of course, like I said, this is a scalp trade, so we're not looking for those massive movements, okay. We're looking to get into the trade and get out of it relatively quickly, okay, taking profit and then moving the stop loss to entry, and then of course, okay, just letting a little bit left in that trade so that we can see if we can continue to make profits if the price continues to rise, okay. And as of right now, that trade is in 68% in a profit, okay, so we are still squeezing profits out of this trade, and if we do continue higher, then of course this long position will yield us more profits, okay. But if you do want access to this Visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, like this long position, okay, that I gave away a few hours ago, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk, okay, click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that Visionary membership, okay. Somewhere on the screen there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord, okay, so make sure you take advantage of that. It's completely risk-free, 1 month free access, okay, why not? And then just go through this Discord, okay, and take a look at all the setups that I'm giving my team here, okay, and yeah, you will be able to observe that they have been very profitable. All of our trades are very profitable. Of course, we don't have a 100% win rate. No trader has a 100% win rate, but our win rate is very high. As of right now, we have an 80% win rate. And since the start of October, we do have a 100% win rate, okay? We've taken 4 trades, okay? All 4 of them have been winning trades, okay? So make sure you check that out. But yeah, like I said, okay, we've entered into this nice long position here, this now scalp long position. So we're going to see how high we can actually ride this trade. Okay, so yeah, we have taken out this range high here. Okay, so now we're actually looking at a new range high that has been formed. Okay, that new range high is at exactly 29,000. Okay, so that would be the only shorting opportunity that I have right now. Okay, if we see price coming up to this level, okay, we see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, what will I do? Well, I will actually enter into that short position. Okay, of course, if I see all the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, a bearish reaction, then and only then will I enter into that short position, okay? But we are quite far away from that price, okay? 29,000. So there is, you know, a high chance that we could form an internal high here, okay? Get a pullback, okay? Retest that internal high, and then, you know, see the bearish confirmation, bearish confluence there to actually enter into a short. So we could see something like this. Now, I don't want to try and predict price action. Of course, we don't like to do that here. We just like to trade the charts and the key levels that the charts present us. Okay, so for me, you know, I'm just remaining long and chill right now. Okay, the short was here. Okay, unfortunately we missed that because the short presented itself at 4:45 in the morning, so we were not awake at that time. Okay, but we've taken advantage of this long today. We're just going to ride this up to you know, as high as we can take it. Okay, and look for that next possible trade. Okay, which is either going to be a short position, okay, or a long position. Okay, for me, the next long position, okay, could be from these internal lows that we have down here. Okay, but the main long position, sorry, that I would be looking for would be, you know, all the way down at $27,700 at the range low. Okay, that would be the big swing long position that I would be looking for at this moment in time. Like, this would have been the big short swing trade, okay, from up here. Okay, as you can see, would have been a really nice profitable trade, but like I said, you know, we were asleep at this moment in time. Okay, but we've taken advantage of this trade that has presented itself to us as well. As you can see here, nice long position. Okay, right now it is in, like I said, 68% in a profit, so a very profitable trade. Okay, so yeah, for me, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Yeah, this long position, you know, lovely liquidity grab there. Okay, coming in and having a look at the open interest. Okay, open interest was you know, looking bullish. So was the CVD. Okay, CVD was looking bullish as well, as you can observe right here. Okay, so that was enough for me to enter into that long. Okay, and we could still actually expect higher prices from here. Okay, so I'm just remaining long and chill right now, and waiting for that next key level to be tapped. And of course, okay, once that key level is tapped, I will update my team in the Visionary Discord and let them know if I'm entering the trade or not. Okay, and if you want to trade on the likes of Mexi, okay, then make sure you click the link in the description. Okay, it will give you some sign up bonuses as well. Okay, this is the new exchange that I'm using because yeah, I do live in the UK and Bybit has now pulled all of its services out of the UK. So Mexi is probably, for me, the next best exchange to trade on because the fees are so low. Okay, so make sure you sign up to Mexi and start utilizing that and utilizing the bonuses that I have available for you there as well. As I said, link in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you gain access to that 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord. And yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next update. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.